Targeting United States audience in your website is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to show you how you guys can target the United States audience for your website. So for that, you have to go to a website called as Google Search Console. If I go to that website, as you guys can see, this is the website that you need to go. So I'm at their homepage. Now you just have to click on this start now. It will want you to log into your Google account. If you don't have any Google account, you just need to create a new Google account. This is an easy thing. Now here you just have to, what do you have to do? You just have to paste the URL of your website that you are using right now. After pasting the URL, you just have to click on continue. And currently in my case, I don't have any website right now. So after that, you will be able to see options, including search analytics, every other option for your website that you are facing. You just have to select the location and you just have to target it to United States. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can target the United States audience for your website. Hope you guys find this video helpful.